What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that has so many great benefits for men. Building muscles, hair and beard growth, or even chasing your goals and dreams. It plays a huge role for men. And to give you a better impression about your own testosterone level, we will talk in today's video about 6 signs that are very common for men that has a high testosterone level. So if you're curious about your own testosterone level, make sure to watch this video till the end, because this video will give you a great impression about it. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Commit yourself to become your best version possible. I will upload every single day a new video to help you the best way possible. So guys, make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. Alright guys, let's start with the first sign that is very common for men that have a high testosterone level, which is being competitive. Being competitive is definitely a sign for a man that has a high testosterone level. I'm not only talking about being competitive in sports, but also regarding simple things like, for example, playing video games, playing games with friends, or chasing your goals and dreams. If you are a competitive man, you don't take a loss easily. You either win or you lose, but you try again. If that sounds like someone you can identify yourself with, then congratulations, the chances are very high that you have a high testosterone level. Let's continue with number 2 guys, having luxury items. Buying luxury items happens most of the time just to impress other people. You basically see yourself consistently in competition with other people, and you try to show others that you're on the top just to impress them. I'm not saying that it's a good thing to buy luxury stuff, especially if you only do this for this reason, but it is definitely a sign that you could have a higher testosterone level than the average guy. Let's continue with number 3 guys, you can build muscles fast. Your testosterone level has also a major impact on muscle growth and strength. If you have a higher testosterone level, it is more likely that you can build muscles much faster. It don't necessarily need to be the case, but it is definitely a sign of you having a higher testosterone level. Let's continue with number 4 guys, you have a wider face and a chiseled jawline. This is a typical sign for a man that has a higher testosterone level. Testosterone is responsible for a thicker bone structure, so your jawline is more defined and more chiseled, and therefore you have a wider face as well. So guys, if your face is wider than from the average guys, then you might have a higher testosterone level. Let's continue with number 5, a fast metabolism. If you have a fast metabolism, it is very hard for you to get fat. You can simply eat all day long whatever you want without getting fat. Due to a higher testosterone level, your metabolism is faster as well, and therefore you can burn way more calories than the average guy. And last but not least guys, you have a high sex drive. A high testosterone level correlates with a high sex drive. You will experience it especially when you're young and your testosterone level is at its peak. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are the 6 signs that are very common for a man that has a high testosterone level. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button below, share this video with a friend who needs to see it. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.